Right, so it's been 2 weeks since we've done a reno here at Josh's house. To the day since we... Has it been to the day?
To the day.
To the day.
Well, but we were here, not you.
Since we were doing it. So we're just a little bit of a follow-up, show you guys what's happening with it. Temps have been a bit cold, so we're going to do some follow-up fertilizer. But it's looking pretty good, so let's have a check. We'll talk about when to do your first mow, what you can apply, and just general maintenance, you know. So let's get it done. What is that move?
Oh no.
So we did a core aeration, scalp, scarify, and also put some fert out. So normally we'd have a little bit more repair on this. This is Tiftuf cooch we got here. As you can see, lots and lots of growth here. We can still see some sand about the place. Now the temps have been cold here. We dropped down below 10 degrees a few times. Did you say we had a frost this morning, Josh?
Slight one, yeah.
Slight frost this morning. So the temps have not been in our favour. Normally you wouldn't need to do any follow-up with the fertiliser, but we just want to push it along so it's repaired soon. Not quite ready for a mow yet. So because it's not quite filled in and the leaf's not quite long enough, I mean, probably next week, you look at doing a bit of a mow just to nip the top off, what they say.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully, we'll see what happens, but you make sure you use yourself a rotary mower and not your cylinder mower, just so you don't get sand down in there. But if you get down close, you can see some areas are quite lush and looking good, but there's just too much sand about to be thinking about doing any sort of mowing at the moment.
What is this? What do you reckon this is, Josh? Well, I reckon it's flea bane. Oh, good. I reckon it is too. So we did apply pre-emergent in August. When did you apply it? August.
Yeah, August.
Unfortunately, pre-emergents don't get everything, every single weed in the world, so you'll get the odd weed come up. So, and a question we get quite regularly is when can you apply post-emergent herbicides after renovation? And we usually say around the first mow time is when you can start applying them again.
Just because your lawn's come back from stress. So Barricade is not registered to prevent flea bane, which is why that's basically the only weed popping up and coming through. But
we had to walk across the lawn, and that's the only thing that's popping up across the lawn.
So yeah.
Popping.
Let's go check out the sprigs, not sprigs,
Chaff. Can you watch out, please?
Here you go, I spotted one finally.
Sprig right
here that's rooted in nicely. So the problem is we haven't had tons come up because it has not been warm enough, unfortunately. So who knows, some of it might take, some might not. Better to do when you've got constant warm temps above like that 25 degrees. Which, give it a crack, might as well use your chaff you got there for something. But bits and pieces will take, and even if you've got like a couple in an area, they will eventually spread out and take over, so it's worth it. I mean, worst comes to worst, we'll plug some spots if they're still a little bit bare. You know what we could also do, actually use this stuff on the edges of sprigs here, shovel that out, plant it in some areas, put some soil over top, and also use that. If you didn't have a plugger, or you just got random bits of grass you want to remove from like cracks or edges or anything like that, so another way you can do it. What are you doing, brother? That's about as much as we've expected to have done at the moment with the amount of heat we've had and temperatures, especially with couch grass. Just random cold snap in the middle of it. So we are going to give it a boost today. We're just going to put out some of our pure balance and pure seaweed to help with the roots, and the balance just to help a little bit more top growth and get things moving. What rate do you reckon we want to go at?
Let's go 400 mil per 100 meters squared, so that'll be 1.2 litres.
Nice, and same with our kelp too, our seaweed plus.
Math.
I reckon I can get it. I'm heaps strong.
Whoever gets it, gets it.
Oh, mate. No, that's cheating.
That was easy as.
Pure balance.
Don't forget to shake it before you bake it.
I did. Forget to shake it before you bake it. Bit of an airlock. So you take the old wand off and that gets rid of the airlock. We get an email about that pretty often actually.
It's not a very good design.
Oh. Yeah, so don't buy one that we sell on the website.
Well, I don't. That's silly that you have to do that every time.
It's just an airlock thing. It's
a pump, bro.
Just pump.
Stupid.
It's just battery life.
It's not that they didn't design it to do that.
So let's make it so every time they spray, they have to take the wand off.
Well, that. Can you lift for me, Tay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go, Daddy.
Oh, I don't like it.
Yeah.
I really don't like it.
You are a mess.
What?
Do a flip.
I haven't done this in a while. Fronty or backy?
Whatever's easier. Oh, who can do a backflip first? Oh, Taylor just got it first go. I can't front flip, bro.
You got to attempt something. You're that old, you can't even
And
do it now.
actually, last time I jumped on a trampoline, I hurt my back.
This might not end well.
Send it. So no need to water these products in once you're done. Better to actually leave them on the leaf and get the most benefit from them, at least for 24 hours, and then water it in on your next watering cycle, just to get the benefit down to the root zone with the balance, and also the kelp too, because the kelp's actually going to help stimulate some root growth. But this will help give it a bit of a boost, push a little bit more top growth, and just keep it nice and healthy. Definitely don't have to do this at the 2-week mark, but if you're like us, you want it to feel in a little bit quicker and your temps have been not for you, great idea to get some liquids out. Otherwise, you can wait to the 3 to 4 week mark to start thinking about liquid fertilizers after the fact.
Is it recording?
Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated with how this is looking. Probably come do an update next week again. We may even talk about spoon feeding on this area. Is that a word? Is spoon a word?
Don't worry.
Could be. Is it?
Don't think so.
Anyway, we'll keep you guys updated on this and show you guys how it's looking week after week. And if you've got any questions, flick them down below and we'll try and cover them in the next upcoming videos. But anyway, we done.
Bye. Goodbye. Thanks for tuning in.
You gonna get a burrito for lunch?
Nope. I have a sandwich in the fridge.
You were tempted though, I heard you talking.
I'm tempted, but I have a sandwich.
Sandwich?
I'm doing the adult thing.
How old are you, bro?